Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily generate AI wallpapers with Image Studio on Motorola Edge 60 Neo. So first, if you want to create an AI wallpaper, what you guys want to do is go over into the Moto folder if you still have it. If not, then just open up the Moto app. And once you're in the Moto app, you need to scroll down, go to the Personalize. Here, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go and we have a lot of options, right? But what we're interested in is our lock screen. So here we click on it, the wallpaper, click on Image Studio, and you can choose to create an image or sync the style. So I'll create an image. Here we want the description. So futuristic city and a guy holding HardReset.Info sign. So this is basically our prompt. Now we're gonna click on generate the image, click on agree, and you can also choose the aspect ratio. So you want the portrait, landscape, we're gonna choose the portrait for this one, click on allow. And as you guys can see, it is getting started. Let's see how well he does the job. Basically, you'll be able, as you guys can see, to use the wallpaper. You can save it or redo it. Of course, you have some credits. It's free. And here you can save it to gallery, leave. And here, let's just go to my photos. Here we have our wallpaper. Now, what we're gonna do is we can do the sway here. So we can move our phone to activate the sway. We can also do the ripple. And let me just place the phone back. Here we're gonna click on set and home screen and lock screen. Now this is our wallpaper. As you guys can see, we got it, and that's how it works. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.